Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. Last few video we have discussed like a chat module. So in this video we can continue chat module. Last video I will show you how to make like user part different. Also setting part means we have discussed like two user discussed like this chat part also different. Also we have discussed like means we have divided like a header part. Also we have divided like a sending message part, and also we are typing like hi, and we can store inside our database. Also we can done like a ajax verse, so you can see it like a submit message, and you can go to like here like a schools.com our database, so you can see it inside a chat inside like what information we have add, so you can see it like whatever message we have type here, so this message automatically going to to chat tables, so you can see it here. So in this video we can continue same thing, but we can show here like a first live chat. Suppose whatever user, suppose I was used like a student one we have selected, so this student and me whatever discuss we need to show here. So let's make first this query. After we can go like a dynamic, so once you can click on the send button, so click on the send, so automatic going to message. So I can show you one by one how it's possible. Okay, so let's go to back to code and let's make some zoom out so I can show it properly. Resources, views, inside we have created like chat, and inside we have created like few files. One is the list.blade.php, other three files we have divide like a sub files. So first of all we have get like a receiver ID and sender ID. Okay, so we need to create a new function so we can get the all the data about for this user, like a sender ID means my ID, whatever user login his ID, and receiver ID means we have already done here, so we need to show here data for these users. So let me show you how we can do it. Okay, and after we can make it like a this part dynamic. So let's show first app http controller, inside we can go like chat controller. Here we need to create a new function get chat user, means we need to do like we need to get who is the user chatting for these guys. So we know about that. Okay, this is the user like a data there like sender id receiver id, again so we need to get his data. So let's create a new function so we can get the data. Okay, so data we can make like variable name get chat, and we can do like a chat model inside one function get chat. Please carefully watch because this is the like important part. Okay, here we need to pass like receiver id and sender id. So receiver id and sender id we need to pass. So first we can pass whatever the receiver id and we have their sender id, so this is the sender id. Okay, sender id means my id, whatever user login this id. Okay, now we need to go chat model inside. I just use the go to definition, so you can see it inside app inside model, inside you can see it like chat models. Okay, so I can show you how we can do it properly. Let's make some zoom out so I can show it. Static function get chat, and also we receive like sender id and receiver id. So sender id and receiver id because we have passed here, you can see it. Okay, receiver id, receiver id and sender id. So I have made a mistake, so just make it like here receiver id first and here is the sender id first. So okay, no problem, this is I will say like sender id and receiver id. Let's change this position so we can see it like proper way. Whatever you can type receiver id sender id. Okay, I will change this position, sender id receiver id. Let's make a control z. We don't want to do like this, same as we are working like this we can work receiver id and sender id. So also we can pass here like a receiver id and sender id because I don't want to change its position. Okay, now we need to make here like one query. We have passed like two parameters receiver id and sender id, and also you can see it here. Now we need to make one query and we can get for his data. So let's create one variable name query self select. We need to select like a star means a chat dot star, so we can get all the data for these users. Means this chat means the receiver id and sender id against whatever data there we need to use. So here we need to use like a where and or where. First we need to check for this id against whatever data there, and after we can check for this id against whatever data there. We can do it like this. Okay, so just we can use like a where. Inside we need to create a one function, so please carefully watch. Okay, function $q. This is the like we need to pass like two parameters. This reason one is the sender id and receiver id we need to pass here. So same thing you can copy paste and you can put here. Okay, after going inside, so we need to create a new function, and also we need to close this line. So like here we have started 1 minute, sorry, okay, I have made a one mistake, 1 minute, I just removing. Okay, receiver id, and we can put here. So this is the going to inside function. You can see like where we did like a where condition. Inside we need to use like our where and or where. So I can show you how we can do it. Okay, so $q where function $q, and inside also we can use like receiver id and sender id, same thing, because where or where we need to use these results. Okay, so use, you can see it here proper way. Okay, and inside q $q where receiver id, means you can go inside like a, here you can see it like a receiver id. A receiver id against we can show like a sender id. Okay, this is the sender, who is the sender, this is the receiver id, against we can show it like a $sender id, like this id. Okay, and same thing we can copy paste, like you can make it like this also possible. And sender id against we need to show receiver id, like a sender id. Where is the sender id? Here. Okay, I just copy and I put here. Okay, so receiver id against we show sender id, and sender id against we need to show receiver id. And also we need to make query like where, suppose we need to show like he's a deleted message, we don't want to show, so just I can make like status less than is equal to -1. Okay, right now I'm just making -1. Suppose future we need to make like delete one, so we can do it these reasons. Okay, so here is a one query done, like a where query. First we have made like another function where, and inside we have made like another where query. Now we need to do like a or where, so we can do it here like this, or where, and same thing you can copy paste above one, same thing, just you can copy paste same thing like this, you can remove and paste here. Okay, same is sender id, receiver id, and receiver id, sender id. So here we need to change the position, like receiver id to receiver id and sender id to sender id. Before is there receiver id to sender id and sender id to receiver id, same thing we have changed here position. You can see it like it means it is going to same, otherwise here we have changed position. Also we don't want to do here like -1, because we don't want to here, just we have declare here, so is enough. Okay, now we need to go outside like here, and we need to make another query where message not is equal to blank. Suppose message is a blank, so we don't want to show. Suppose do you want to show, so you can do it, but I don't want to show. This reason I have made message not is equal to blank. And also I made like order by id means dsc and get method. So here I am getting the data for these two users, like a sender id, receiver id, against I just getting the data, and I just make like a return query. Okay, return query. So this data is going to here. Let's save these files, and also let's save this file. Let's make a dd, and we can get the data, not get the data, we can check. So let's make a dd now, so we can debug the data. I just go back again, refresh the page. Suppose any error there, so I can sort out the error, so don't worry about that. Like curly brackets error, where is the error? Curly brackets. Okay, so just go back again, code, and we need to check. Okay, because I had not made a here comma, this reason, so means semicolon. Just go back, refresh the page. So here I am getting two data, like you can see it like 9, 1 and 14. So you can see like 1 and 14. So here is there, and 1 is 40, high 2 time high there. This isn't showing, you can see it like two data. You can see it 140, 140. So simple is working very well because 121 is not showing because this is the receiver ID is means 14. This reason here showing. Let's go to back again. Go to teacher list and I just go to like 21. So we can check is the data getting. So here is the one data get because the ID about 21. So 21 is there. Like one means the sender ID and 21 is like a is teacher's ID. So you can see it. Hi, I am testing. So this is the query working very well. So no issue. I can show you again this query after I use same query different place. Suppose I am just using different place means I just make a DD and I can show you. Okay, I save these files. I just go back and I click on the send message. So I can show you like this. Once I click here like this guys and here data automatic show once you can start set. So here need to show like his user, but this is the first I can sort out this one. After I can show you how we can do it. Right now I'm showing like inside part. Okay, so inside part how to work after I can showing like a user part. Like here is a multiple user whatever you are set before, this is the user, you can see it here, but first I am showing inside one. So you can see it like a receiver sender ID. Again we get the data about this query like get chat, you can see it here. Okay, this is the query. Please carefully watch and carefully do. This is I am showing again and again what I did. Okay, so everything is cool now. Just open the go to like a list means chat.list and here we can go. So here we divide the file like a messages. So is the message inside we can go and message inside we divide like a chat. So just go to minus chat. So here we need to declare our messages. So here just we can use like for each has a value and inside I can make like a and for each. And also here there like a left and right side data. So let's check and just go back again. So last one project has been successfully added. So this is the also need. Let's remove other part we don't want to need and we just copy and put here. Okay, so everything is good now. Let's go back again and we can check working cannot working. So let's go to back now, refresh the page. So you can see it's working, only showing the two data here 1 and 2 because of we have not made a query. Let's remove the like inside, like let's go to like messages. Inside we will declare like a input field like receiver ID last video. So let's make a hidden, so we don't want to show, so look like better we can show because here is showing always 21. That means this is the receiver ID. Okay, so here is a we have made hidden, so everything is good. Now let's show here messages. Okay, so first we need to show messages, we need to make query here. So let's go to again chat parts and we can make like one query. If sender ID, because I am getting here sender ID same as my ID means login ID auth user ID, so showing these parts, otherwise showing the else part. Let's make it down and if. Okay, so let's go back again. Now we can check showing cannot showing. So here you can see it like one message only because here is there is only one message like 1 and 21. Suppose I copy same message and we can change like a sender ID is going to like a teachers and like receiver ID going to 1 means the admin, and here I can say hi I am and I just click on the go button. So here you can see it like a 21 sender ID and 1 is the receiver ID. I just refresh the page, so you can see it also showing the here one messages. You can see it is a date and time wise work, so don't worry about that. Okay, so because I have made one query like a different, like we need to show here like ascending order not descending order because I have made a wrong. So just we can type like a ASC because always latest message going to down, you can see it's going to up this reason. Okay, now let's show here like dynamic message. So just go back again and chat and just you can copy and you can change here and I use like HTML. Suppose sometime HTML there, so it's better we can use like this. Okay, so sender sorry message and just copy and paste also down, so we can show here also message. Okay, just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it both message hi I am testing, hi I am also testing. Now we need to show like date and time, so just go back again and we have already done like last time is a like header part. So just copy for this large scene coding and put here, and here you can change like a created date. We can also get created date. Otherwise, do you want to use created date, whatever you can use, you can do it, but I just need to use like a created date because this is the UTC time. So I need to make like our time zone wise, so created date is good, this reasons. Okay, I just copy, and same thing we can do it here. Let's go back again and we can check working, not working. So I go back, refresh the page. So you can see 1 second ago, 1 second ago, because of the something error there, because get receiver, so we need to change to value, dollar value. Okay, so let's go to back again, refresh the page. So you can see 1 day ago, 1 day ago, so it's proper working very well, no issue. Okay, now we need to show like his image is dynamic, whatever image is there. So first of all we need to show images, so we need to create like two function here, like sender and receiver. So we can do it easily like sender and receiver wise. So here I can make like another function, just make it like a get sender. We can use like belongs to return dollar this belongs to means users table, users class and sender id. Same thing we can do it like a get receiver. Okay, just 1 minute, so I can short out get receiver right now we don't want to use, but we can declare, so future we need to use, so we can use it directly this reason. Okay, get receiver. So let's copy this name, means copy this is the like function name, and just go to like a dollar chat, and here we can remove this part like messaging parts, and here you can do it like a dynamic dollar value get message. Now get sender, so user table inside we need to check like which is the file name there. So just go to user models, means user model, and here we have did like a get direct something we did, yes, get profile direct. Suppose profile not uploaded, so it's showing the default one, these reasons. Okay, so just go back again, and if you can put here, just copy, and same thing you can paste here. Okay, so let's go back again and refresh the page so we can check it. So here you can see like a different profile, but let's make a height fix so look like better. Like here is the heights, we can make like a fixed heights 40 px. Okay, so look like better because width is already made up fix this, so we can make like height also fix 40 px, so they're like round showing proper. So everything is good now, no issue, but we can do this one. So first we need to change like all thing. We can create a new file for this one, we can add inside here, because once I will click here append, so we need to update also, sorry 1 minute. So we need to update our all the messages whatever we are doing, so we need to all the data we need to add inside another file. So just we can create a new function like chat inside save single dot blade dot php. Okay, so what I did, single blade dot php, and just copy all thing like this for each loop and paste here, and here you can include, suppose you can go to like list one and just copy and put here. Now you can change your name like a single. Okay, so this is the data going to here. Just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it working very well, no issue. Okay, so here data showing the dynamic, also here showing the data dynamic. Now we need to show like this data dynamic. Once I will click on the send, so this is the automatic append, and we need to save, means we need to append, we need to save directly database save is already done. Okay, so you can see it like hi. Okay, this is the working very well. Okay, so let's go to this function, we are adding this function inside database. So like go to like chat controller, inside we need to go like here submit message. This is the function we are appending, the means we are storing inside database. So let's show you how to make like whatever data we add inside database. So just you can copy this line, and here you can make like one query where id is equal to chat $chat id, because whatever data you are adding, this data we can get. And also you can use like get method. So you are told me why you are using here get method, because of we a single inside we use like for each loop. So just I can declare directly for each loop here, means we can declare here directly our data, means these files. So I can show you how we can made it. So please carefully watch how we can do it. So just we can do it like a return response JSON, and here I can make like a render. Let's make, I just made a mistakes, 1 minute, or JSON response, and inside we need to make a render. Here I can make like 200. So is this is the response I get? Okay, so here 200. Now inside we need to do like a status. So we know, okay, success. We can make like conditions so it look like better. Okay, just we can pass like a true here, and here I can pass like a one thing like success, like double quote you can use again, success. And inside we need to call our view file. So view, same thing you did include inside our chat. So same thing you can copy and just put here, chat dot singles. Okay, and here you can make it like also data we need to pass, like what data we need to pass here. And here I'll also use the render. So render means is a like a, you need to get a JSON response for this file. This reason we need to use like render. And here we need to pass like only one data, get chat dollar get chats. Okay, now let's go to inside and we can check this file against inside. We need any information, other information, so we don't want to need, just we need a like a get chat variable, other variable we don't want to do it. So let's save this file and just go back again and refresh the page, so we can check we are getting the data inside success, cannot getting the data. So let's go to back again, refresh the files and open the spec elements and go to network. I just type like here hi, and I click on this send message. So you can see submit message successfully works, and here also I get the data whatever add inside a file. So let's go to back again and we can go, everything is clear, no issue. Okay, so let's go to list.blade.php and here our function like submit. So here we need to append our data. So $chat means here we need to create one id like appending data. So we need to create a one id here. So I can show you what type we can do it. So we can append the data. Id name is like append message, whatever do you want to, like you can do it your end. Okay, I just go to list one and I can make like dollar hash append data dot success, because inside data we can get a success like a JSON file, means a JSON variable inside. You can see it, like I can show you this success we can type here. Okay, so let's go back again and we can check working not working. I just refresh the page and we can checking hi, I am testing working. Just type hi, I don't worry about that. Scrolling we can fix out, don't worry. See stop and just you can see it, you can see it here, it's working very well, no issue. So let's also clear this is the like a tables now. So means that this is the text box, not table, this is the text box also we need to clear here. So just go to like a message and here we need to provide like one id like clear data id clear message. I just provide a one id and I can type here like a list blade.php inside dot clear means value null, also is a hash sign because this is the id we have declared this reason. Okay, I save these files I just go back again and I just type like a hello, and I click on the send. So you can see it scroll automatic show, and also you can see it like a hello, and here is a clear automatic data. So here is a required field, so don't worry about that. So, okay, so this is the done. Now we need to make like auto scrolling, because suppose here scrolling I can send a message, it's not going to down. Suppose here showing like this, and I can type hey, I just click on the send button, so message sending, also here appending, you can see it here, but he is not scrolling down. So we need to create like another function here, like a scroll down. Okay, and this function inside we need to write our scripting. So just rest function, and here we can make like a height, but we need to write one scripting. So I can show you how we can do it, so don't worry about that. So first of all we need to find out our heights, what is the total height for this message box. So dollar, okay, 1 minute, dollar, we are using the scrolling this message box. Suppose here we are using the scrolling, where is the starting the scrolling? So we can check our scroll started like a chat history. Okay, so chat history, against we are doing this scrolling, you can see like margin height 500 and overflow auto. So we can use this is the variable, means this is the class chat history. So here we can make dot chat history animate, and this is the function for the JavaScript, and inside we can do like a scroll top. 1 minute, I am just typing the code first, chat history, okay, dot, here I can make like a JavaScript function prop, and here also I make like a scroll heights. This is the all is a JavaScript functions. Okay, scroll height is a fix, because I find out this code and how it's work, and we can make like here like a whatever do you want to, like this word plus. Okay, so this is a scrolling, we can do it, and here we can make like a 500. So slowly go this region. So this is the meaning about like a scroll top to down. So let's show you first is working not working, after I can check not working, so I can show you other way. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page, and I can send a message hi, and I just send a message, so it's not working. So let's go to what is the issue. This dot element dot undefined means is a elements scroll top CRC. Okay, because I made a spelling here mistake, scroll CSCROLL, scroll top. So let's go to back again, refresh the page, and we can try to send again message. Just go back again hi, and I send. So you can see going to down, it's very quick. Hi, I can send hello, so you can see going to down. So it means working very well, no issue, you can see it. Suppose you can make like big speed here, like a like this speed. Okay, and I just go back again, refresh the page, and here I can make like hey, and I just send a message. So just go down because of the 1 minute. Okay, because you can leave it like 500, because I don't want to make more, means scrolling working very well. But here you can see like one problem there. Suppose I am refreshing the page, so it's not going to down, he is showing the first message. So just you need to copy this function and just put down directly like this. Okay, no need to do anything else. Just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it. Once you refresh the page, so automatically going to scroll down. Inside JavaScript against with jQuery against JavaScript, whatever you can tool, JavaScript jQuery is the same, some part is different, some part is different way work these regions. Okay, now you can send your message hello hey one, and you can send, so automatically doing to down, you can see it here. This is the your dependency, whatever message do you want to change here, like 30,000 I have made, suppose you can make like 1,000, so also possible. So don't worry about that, whatever do you want to, like you can do it, but I like it like a bigger. So you can see it, I save this file. Okay, so hey hello, I can send message, so slowly going down, you see. So this is the meaning, but I make a bigger one, so suppose future you have lots of messages, so it's going to very quick down, this reason I made a bigger one, 30,000. After whatever do you want to like, you can do it your end. Let's make a one more so it look like better. Okay, let's go down and refresh the page. So it's very quick, no issue. Hey, and just make it like a send. So it's very quick showing this 1 second ago message. Okay, so let's go to admin list again and just click on the send message for this guys 9 numbers. So here you can see it, no anything else there. I just type hi and I click on the send. So you can see automatic append here, welcome. You can see it here, everything append working very well. Let's open the one private browser and log in as a teacher's account so we can chat both one. But it's not possible to work because of we have not show here user dynamically in teacher sides. So in this video I have explained how to send a message, also how to send this is the dynamic, also how to append the message, and how we can show like a date and time profile, and with is like a send message query, scroll down, everything is clear. So next video I think is the last video, I think so. And one we can sort out like image uploading. Last video I think need a more 2 video after the set module done. Next video we can show this the dynamic. You can choose this guys, so automatic showing is the message, and also you can choose this guys, so also you can showing this, like this is the message. I can show you how we can do it next video. Okay, so I hope do you want to understand for this video like what I show you, like a send messaging, it means a clear text box. Also we will make like inside message box, inside all thing dynamic, and other video I already show you how to make. I hope you can understand everything. Suppose do you want to not understand anything, so please comment out, I will try to explain inside comment and I will try to help. And do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.